A little gas? Give it a little flat, yeah, a little flip. Alright. Mean things, man. Looking mean, you know? This is where it was. This is where it's at. And this shit would have rolled all the way the fuck down there if it wasn't for this little tree. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of damage, but got that little bit of whoop down there. Hey, shit happens. So, I'll just pull it with the truck. Let's go. Only took all fucking day. Let's put you back in here. About to come back out. All right, winter's kind of a little bit over, but it's warm enough to get back out here. Oh, fuck, it's locked. Do some shit. But I think last time we left off, I told you I was going to do with the Ko4. We got the twin intercooler on, a cold air intake, diverter valve on the turbo. But I got a whole bunch of other stuff. So our new seats. I think I'm gonna show this in another video. I think I'm gonna delete this shade and just tint it because it's just sagging. All right, the shift knob, the boost gauge, and a few other parts. Like they're just in boxes. So I'm not gonna unbox everything just yet. I thought I'd just make a real short video right before I get the front clip off. There's only 2 bolts holding it in right now. Right, that one and the other one behind the crash bar, just 2. So I'm gonna pop the front clip off. I'll park that someplace for the meantime, and then we'll get to the cherry picker. I just gotta unsnap all electronics. All right, we have a short shifter. I don't think I've ever mentioned that in any of the videos, but I got the short shifter on here. But I'm gonna disconnect this. Just 1, 2, and I think 3 bolts that hold it to the trans. Squish that out the way. All right, then we have our slave line. This is actually had to replace because the other one was leaking. So it was very difficult to do anything or move the car like that. But we got it in there. I just haven't had anybody around to help me bleed it. We have this delete, which I think is a noisemaker delete or whatever. I'm not sure what they call it, but that's there as well. Our oil catch can setup is pretty basic and simple. All right, this end goes to our intake. I'm not even sure if it's really supposed to go on that nipple there, but I'm just gonna run it and probably try a couple different variations. I got enough pieces to, if I had to switch it around or even wire them, like combine those 2 to go to this, you know, to come to one. And the other one comes right up here to this, which is the crankcase vent thing. And our boost gauge is wearing with a T-tap. Well, not a T-tap, but, you know, like it's a tap. It's a cap tap. Didn't mean for that to rhyme. All right, so next clip, I'll have the front end off and the wheels and put it on cherry picker. We have a stage 3 or stage 4 clutch because the turbo says it holds like 360 or something like that, or not even sure. But ain't no outro. I'll hit you with the next video. Apologize about the long delays in between making videos and in between finishing the cars. Life is fucking complicated. My customers be going broke. I be going broke sometimes. I be dealing with bullshit with businesses that are like, either need my attention. Life's complicated. Then there's like personal life, you know? So yeah, it's complicated. But I'm still in it. I'm still here. I know this is not the most high quality YouTube videos where people are doing like really phenomenal things, but this is what I'm fucking with. This is what I do, and I'm just happy to be able to do something. And this car is sort of kind of special. It's one of 600 in this spec, which is panoramic sunroof, 2.0 T, and 6-speed manual. So I do plan on probably keeping this. I'm probably going to keep around 6 of my cars. And all right, so I'm gonna hit you with the next video. I'm gonna take this clip off. I'll see you guys in a little bit.